Okay, here's how to start up a new map. First click on that icon, discard the old map. Now you put the vehicle identification in. Let's say it's Opel 16V, and go to the next step. So it's a 4-cylinder, firing order is 1342. You can also change different firing orders, but in this case it would be 1342. The map based or throttle based, or map and throttle based, you can do both on the BlueArc. For now, let's just keep it on map based, keep it simple. This is just to try and get you to understand how the thing works. Cam home, we're going to use that. You can also swap cam home if the signal is the wrong way around. On the test bench, we're using a all signal 36-1, and the trigger offset we'll explain in later tutorials how to do this exactly. Full sequential, there's a couple of options here. You've even got auxiliary fuel maps, +1 auxiliary, +2, semi-sequential 2-wire, +2, +1. You could go semi-sequential 4-wire, semi-sequential plus auxiliary fuel maps, which for methanol and such you can run other maps on different fuel maps at the same time. You can also do batch fire, which is really not recommended. That's just in the list so that you can compare if you need to. You can also run single coil, wasted sparks, which will send out 2 signals for wasted spark coil, direct fire or wasted spark paired. We normally prefer direct fire if it's the coil setup that you can use. The start spark delay in milliseconds is the delay that it will give the spark before it actually sparks. So you can start cranking the motor and wind up that, so then it gives fuel and gets everything to the correct place, but then there's some inertia in your flywheel, but that's just for high compression engines. Multi-spark on. Now let's go online, right to ECU. Okay, now we select altitude. You'll see that the calibrated is on 0 with a new map because it doesn't know where it is. So it looks at the actual altitude, and then the map sensor is also offset by the calibration. So if you calibrate that, it says boost maps will offset with boost maps offset will be recalibrated. Are you sure you want to do this? Say yes. Now the map says it's on 0 and the altitude is calibrated to the current altitude. And that's that for now.